Hi, my name's Karina and welcome to this tutorial series. In this series, we're going to have 3 tutorials. I recommend doing them in the order of 1, 2, 3, as in the last tutorial, we're going to stitch them all together and create a sequence for you that you can incorporate into a routine. Okay, let's get started. Before we get into the tutorials, we're going to do some warm-ups to warm up the shoulders and the arms and the torso, as we're going to be using these parts of the body. If you've already warmed up, then feel free to skip this part and go straight to tutorial number 1. So bringing the feet just a little bit outside of the hips width apart and taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Bringing our awareness into the body, into this moment, and feeling the surface beneath our feet. Taking another breath in through the nose, inhaling deeply and exhaling through the mouth. On the next inhale, we're going to bend the knees and bring the arms up. And bringing the arms down as we exhale. Bending the knees, doing this another 2 times. Focusing on the breath and exhaling as we come down. One last time. This time we're going to cross the arms and we're going to come down nice and slow, making these big circles in front of us. And we're going to continue this motion very gently and slowly. We're just warming up the muscles here, we're not stretching. Focusing on the breath. Making these circles as wide as you can. And we're going to reverse the direction at 12 o'clock. This is what I like to refer to as 12 o'clock. And this is what I like to refer to as 6 o'clock. So passing through 12 and passing through 6. And bring the arms back down beside the legs. And we're going to shrug the shoulders up to the ears, but relax the neck. Holding the shoulders nice and high, and we're going to release. Another 4 times. Bringing them up to the ears, relax the neck. And drop. Inhaling and raising the shoulders, relaxing. And drop. One last time, bringing them nice and high. Relax the neck, lift the chest, and drop the shoulders there. We're going to bring the hands up into what I refer to as the T shape. We're going to turn the palms upwards, step your feet out a little bit with your toes pointing outwards, and we're going to turn the torso to the left and to the right. Keeping the arms nice and high, you want them parallel to the ground. And you should feel a nice opening in the shoulders here. And if it feels comfortable for you, try and make a deeper twist in the torso. Looking over the shoulder as you turn with the head. And we're going to relax the arms and just let them flop around the body. Bringing back to center. We're going to bring the arms out again. We're going to cross them over here. And as we open, we're going to pump the chest forward. And as we close the arms, we're going to curl over, rolling the shoulders forward. And we're going to open up and pump. And we can increase the speed here. Remembering to breathe deeply, in through the nose, out through the mouth. bring the arms a little bit higher. Whatever feels comfortable for you. Keeping the elbows bent here. And relax those arms. We're going to bring our left hand to touch the shoulder, and we're going to bring the elbow up in front of us and back around like we're drawing big circles with the elbow on the left side of our body. No need to rush here. And relaxing that left arm down, bringing up the right to touch the right shoulder, bringing up the right elbow and drawing circles backwards on the side of our body here. Do 3 more rotations. Last one, and relax the arm. Bringing both the hands up, we're going to draw figures of 8 in the air. So we're going to pinch our forefinger and thumb together. And it's like we're holding a pencil, drawing on the wall in front of us. Making that figure of 8 nice and wide, flexing the wrists, warming up the wrists here. And if you can, try and reverse the direction of that figure of 8. You might find this a little tricky, but it's fine. We're just warming up the wrists here, so whatever works for you. And shaking the wrists and hands out. Okay, now we're ready to get into the tutorials.